To transfer USDT from a Phantom wallet, start by opening the wallet and selecting the USDT option. Next, click on the Side button, which will prompt you to paste the recipient's wallet address in the designated section. To obtain this address, open the recipient's account, navigate to the Assets option, and select the Deposit option. Search for USDT. Choose the correct option, and select the desired network for the transfer. Once you've done this, you'll be able to access the wallet address, which you can copy and then paste into the Phantom wallet. After pasting the address, click Next. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and click Next again. Finally, review the details, including the wallet address and network, to ensure everything is correct, and then confirm the transfer by clicking Send. It's essential to verify that the network is the same in both accounts to avoid any issues. Once you've completed these steps, the USDT will be transferred from the Phantom wallet to the recipient's account.